Ever feel that pull, like there's an invisible current just out of reach, ready to be tapped into if only you had the key? At the core of Freemasonry's 33rd degree teachings lies that very key, a set of secrets that empower individuals to shape reality through focused thought and intentional energy alignment. This isn't just about the power of positive thinking, it's about mastering the mind as a tool, using techniques refined over centuries to create tangible change in the energy field surrounding you. For those willing to learn, it reveals the art of influencing reality itself, grounding the mystical in simple, powerful practices. Imagine knowing that with each breath, every sound, and focused intention, you're tuning into an ancient rhythm, aligning with energies that influence your surroundings. These practices, like sacred geometry visualization and vibrational chanting, don't just hold theoretical value, they're actionable methods used by initiates to channel energy, align personal will with higher intent, and create harmony in ways that transcend ordinary experience. Freemasonry holds that such mastery of thought and intention allows practitioners to connect deeply with universal forces, guiding them through symbolic rituals, each one a step toward a refined, intentional life. What would it mean to access this knowledge, hidden in symbolic rituals and guarded through generations? Imagine having the tools to align your energy field, direct your intentions, and experience the synergy of thought, sound, and breath with the universe. The 33rd degree opens the door to those ready to look beyond the surface, offering a glimpse into mysteries that go beyond any single tradition, delving into the realms of energy control, life force alignment, and cosmic attunement. Ready to explore? Let's journey into the layers of knowledge that could reshape how you perceive, and influence, reality itself. Mastery of thought. In the depths of Freemasonry, especially at the 33rd degree, one encounters the powerful notion that thoughts aren't mere mind wanderings but potent energy tools. Those who reach this level discover that their mind can sculpt reality, bending external events to the will when guided with precision. Imagine focusing on a single thought so intently that it resonates outwards, like a ripple in a pond, aligning events, people, and circumstances with your intentions. This isn't daydreaming, it's an art, a mastery of thought, that only the disciplined can truly wield. And in this craft, thoughts become as tangible as tools in a master's hands. To begin harnessing this mastery, daily meditation becomes a gateway. Picture your desires as they take shape in your mind, clear and vibrant, allowing your thoughts to channel energy toward those outcomes. Meditation on intention teaches practitioners that energy flows where attention goes, meaning every thought carries a current, impacting both the personal and surrounding energy field. This practice of alignment, revered in Freemasonry, encourages visualizing desired states like peace or resilience as a surrounding aura, amplifying that energy until it expands beyond the self. This technique has roots not just in Masonry but in ancient cultures across the world. For practical application, dedicate a few quiet minutes each day to an energy alignment meditation. Start by visualizing a light that represents your intention, see it grow, move, and impact the space around you. The 33rd degree teachings emphasize aligning with divine will, where your personal aims and higher purposes meet. This exercise isn't merely mental, it's a full-body immersion in the resonance of what you seek to attract. Practice daily, and observe the subtle shifts in your environment. This is how thought begins its journey from abstract to tangible. Ready to unlock the next level? Let's continue into the mysteries of sound. Chanting and vibrational resonance. Sound, as ancient wisdom and Freemasonry suggest, holds more than just auditory appeal, it's a bridge, a conductor of energy, able to shift states and create harmony within and beyond us. At higher levels of Masonry, like the 33rd degree, practitioners learn that each sound, each chant, has a frequency that can tune their personal energy field. Think of it like tuning a musical instrument. When words or syllables vibrate at specific frequencies, they ripple out, adjusting the invisible energies around them. Some refer to this as vibrational resonance, a way to shift consciousness and move into alignment with higher intentions. By chanting sacred sounds, one can tap into this powerful force. Certain mantras or syllables, especially those passed down through esoteric traditions, resonate deep within the body, creating a full-bodied experience of energetic alignment. For instance, the simple, universal chant of Om isn't just a sound but a vibration that reverberates through every cell, calming, centering, and aligning the individual with a higher state of being. This aligns with the Masonic principle that sound isn't just heard, it's felt, resonating through both body and mind, moving energy fields into synchronicity. For those curious to try, start with Om or other esoteric sounds shared within sacred traditions, perhaps in a quiet, dim space. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and chant slowly, letting the sound echo through your body, noticing how it shifts and energizes your inner space. Over time, this practice not only helps align your personal energy but also builds a deeper, almost instinctive sense of how sound shapes reality. When you're ready to move beyond sound, there's another ancient key waiting for you: the power of sacred geometry in visualization. Sacred geometry visualization. Symbols hold immense power, a concept that resonates deeply within Freemasonry, especially at the elevated 33rd degree. Sacred geometry isn't just about shapes, it's about forms that mirror the underlying patterns of the universe itself. Picture these geometric shapes, like the circle, the square, or the vesica piscis, not just as designs but as energetic blueprints, like codes embedded in the fabric of reality. By visualizing these forms, one can influence their energy field, creating balance, protection, or even heightened awareness. Sacred geometry teaches that the universe's design isn't random, it's structured, and tapping into that structure means aligning with universal forces. To make this a living practice, one can use visualization to construct these shapes within their own energy field. Imagine building a shield around you from the lines and angles of a cube, each side strong and protective. Or, construct the tetrahedron, envisioning it as a pyramid that channels energy to your core, grounding you to the earth. As one visualizes these forms, they become more than just mental images, they become active fields that interact with the unseen energies surrounding us. Many who practice this experience a sense of calm, as if the geometry itself brings their inner world into alignment. To put this into action, consider daily meditations focusing on these forms. Perhaps you start with the cube for stability, or the Merkaba for spiritual elevation, imagining each angle, each line as it surrounds and integrates with your energy. This practice not only provides a feeling of groundedness but also connects you with ancient wisdom that has been revered for centuries. Once you start using these forms, you'll find each meditation deepening as the sacred shapes become familiar guides on your path. Now, with the tools of sound and symbol, there's yet another layer: the art of ritual and focused energy. Ritual and ceremonial practice. Rituals in Freemasonry, especially at the esteemed 33rd degree, are more than formalities, they're living ceremonies that channel energy with intention, precision, and purpose. Imagine each ritual as a finely crafted tool, like a chisel in the hands of a sculptor, shaping not just the outer world but also one's inner reality. Through symbolic actions, from lighting a candle to specific hand gestures, or mudras, the Mason learns to move energy intentionally, influencing both personal and collective spheres. Ritual, in this sense, is where the abstract becomes tangible, where intention manifests into reality. Crafting one's own rituals can amplify this energy alignment even further. Picture a simple, personal ritual: lighting a candle as the sun sets, signaling a shift from the day's chaos to a quieter, reflective state. The flame doesn't just provide light, it becomes a beacon of inner wisdom, a moment to focus and redirect energy. Or consider a hand gesture, like placing your hands over your chest, a universal symbol of self-alignment and healing, channeling energy inward where it is most needed. These small actions, laden with symbolism, create pathways through which energy flows, making the practice of ritual accessible, adaptable, and deeply personal. To build a practice, experiment with simple, intentional actions. You might develop a morning ritual to charge your intentions for the day, or an evening ceremony to release energy, clearing the space for peace and renewal. By setting aside even a few moments for these acts, you turn the ordinary into something sacred, connecting with a long line of practitioners who understood the quiet power of ritual. With ritual under your belt, the next level awaits, moving into the breath itself as a tool for channeling life force and energy. Life force manipulation. In the wisdom of the 33rd degree, the breath is far more than a biological function, it's a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. Imagine each breath as a thread, weaving your energy field into alignment with your inner intentions and outer reality. This understanding mirrors ancient teachings across cultures, which treat breath, or prana, as the essence of life force itself. The controlled breath isn't just inhaling and exhaling, it's a focused channel, guiding energy flow, stabilizing emotions, and bringing the mind to stillness. Those who master it are, quite literally, breathing life into their intentions. To bring this concept into practice, rhythmic breathing techniques can be transformative. Techniques like the 4-7-8 breath, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8, help root energy in clear stagnant energy, cultivating a sense of presence. Alternatively, alternate nostril breathing, known as Nadi Shodhana, harmonizes the body's energy pathways, grounding the mind and spirit. In Masonic principles, mastery over breath is akin to mastery over one's thoughts and emotions, a key to heightened awareness and inner balance. Breath, in this way, becomes a tool for directing intention. To try it, sit quietly and begin with rhythmic breathing, visualizing each inhale as a surge of positive energy entering your system. Each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Feel the subtle shift as you align your life force to an inner steadiness, mentally controlling the energy field surrounding you. These practices open doors to deeper insights and awareness, preparing you for the final element, aligning with the cosmic energy that connects each of us to the universe itself. Harmonizing with cosmic forces. In the teachings of the 33rd degree, one's journey isn't complete without attuning to the vast, cosmic energy that surrounds us all. Picture this, a thread of light connecting from the crown of your head, reaching up into the endless universe. Freemasonry teaches that this connection, often symbolized as the great architect of the universe, aligns us with higher spiritual forces, guiding us toward balance and insight. This attunement isn't passive, it's an active harmonization, a deliberate alignment with energies that bridge the self and the cosmos. To begin this practice, quiet the mind and let yourself become aware of the energy fields beyond your immediate surroundings. Imagine yourself as part of a vast network, where your energy merges with universal currents. Through this, you're not just tapping into personal strength but accessing a flow of wisdom and intuition that extends far beyond individual experience. Many ancient practices, like those taught in Masonic tradition, emphasize this unity as the path to true spiritual growth, where personal and cosmic energies are in harmony. To experience this, set aside a moment for a quiet meditation, visualizing a beam of light that connects you to the universe. Feel its energy entering through the crown of your head, flowing through your body, filling every cell with harmony and clarity. With this connection, you're opening to the energies that unify, support, and guide all life, aligning your being with the greater whole. As you enter this cosmic alignment, a sense of grounded insight emerges, illuminating the way forward with profound clarity. This practice brings us full circle, ready to integrate all the knowledge we've touched on, through mind, breath, sound, and form, into a unified mastery of energy. If you've been following along, you now have a toolbox filled with ancient methods to control and elevate your energy field, a gift hidden in plain sight. But knowledge only turns into power when you put it to work. So, what will you do with this mastery of thought, intention, and energy alignment? How will you use sacred geometry, sound, and breath to shape your world? The journey is just beginning, and the impact could be life-changing if you dare to take it further. Have you felt the energy shift? Are you ready to deepen this exploration and make these practices a part of your daily life? Share your thoughts and experiences below. And if this sparks something inside you, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep diving into more of these hidden truths. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.